Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about multiplying real numbers. And the most important thing that we want to do is learn the terminology that's going to be used when we're multiplying. So let's begin with that. The two important words are factor and product. So let's take something like 3 times 5. You can either use a dot in between the numbers to signify multiplication or parenthesis. So 3 times 5 is 15. Well, the factors of 15 would then be 3 and 5. So any numbers that are multiplied together that lead to the product would be the factors. And of course the product is basically your answer. It's the result of multiplying 2 or more numbers together. Okay. Let's move on and talk about some basic principles that are going to apply. If you're multiplying numbers that have the same sign, or what we call like signs, then your answer will always be positive. And if you're multiplying numbers together that have what we call different signs or unlike signs, for example, multiplying a positive number times a negative number or a negative number times a positive number, then your answer or the product will always be a negative number. Okay, so let's look at a few examples. Okay, here we're multiplying positive 8 times a positive 2. 8 times 2 is 16, and both of the numbers have the same sign, so our answer is going to be positive 16. Okay, let's do another one. We have a negative 2.3 times a positive 1.5. So we're dealing with two numbers that have different signs. The first number is a negative number. The second number is a positive number. So our answer is going to be negative. It's a negative 3.45. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's do a negative 11 times a negative 10. So we're dealing with two numbers that have like signs. They're both negative, so our answer is going to be positive. And we have a positive 110. Okay, let's make it a little bit more complicated. Okay, here we have 4 numbers and we're multiplying them from left to right. But you will notice that some of them are negative and some of them are positive. So when it comes to our product and the sign that our product is going to carry, we look at how many negative numbers we have. If we have an even number of negative numbers, then the product is going to be positive. If we have an odd number of negative numbers, then the product is going to be negative. So how many negative numbers do we have here? Well, we have 2. And that's an even number because, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So our product is going to be positive. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 12, and the product is a positive 12. And that's it. Stay tuned for the next video, and we will be doing division. Thanks.